Yes, it is Professor Jayagowda again. In my last episode, I have solved 15 questions. Now I'll start from 16th question onwards. So I'm clarifying all my questions, answers with precise diagrams necessary or videos if necessary. I'm taking from internet and I'm trying my best to clarify all those things. Take the proper benefit of it. And we'll start now. The 16th question I will start reading now. Okay, right. Yes, 16th question reads like this. Provirus is. Provirus. What is that? Answers of pre-virus, pre-DNA, primitive virus, integrated viral genome. Answer for this question is integrated viral genome, that is D. D is the answer for this question. The meaning is, see, provirus means when a virus infects bacteria, you can see in this diagram, see here, the green colored is a phage virus, rocket-like thing, that is bacteriophage, that's a bacteriophage. And it has injected its DNA here, see, its DNA it has injected here in this blue colored bacterium. And this bacterium has its own circular DNA. This is its circular DNA. And these two DNAs join to become such a DNA which is actually the hybrid DNA. And here this DNA of the virus, it is called as provirus DNA, provirus otherwise. And now this is going to get its copies made inside this bacterium. That's why with the association of the bacterial DNA, it is going to do this. Hence it is called integrated viral DNA. Now this one produces many copies of it. Now this bacterium, blue colored bacterium, has produced 2 copies here. And these 2 will produce another 2. Like that it goes on multiplying. And in every bacterium that forms like this integrated DNA will be there. This is going to prepare its viral copies inside the bacterium. Many viruses will form in that. And they will be, see, you can see in this next diagram. In this diagram you can see here number of the integrated DNAs have formed here inside here. And these integrated DNAs, now they will form the viruses like this. See, viruses they are forming here. They are forming here and they will form and break the bacterium and come out. So that is called integrated viral DNA, provirus otherwise. Now we'll go for next question. Next question, that is question number 17 reads, the tobacco mosaic virus TMV is approximately in size. TMV virus C, it's a rod-like structure that has a protein coat called capsid, and inside there is a single-stranded DNA. And this tobacco mosaic TMV virus, approximately, it is 300 into 18 nm nanometers. A is the answer for this. B rates, the answer is B. B answer is 3000 into 5 nm. C answer is 800 into 10 nm. D is 700 into 20 nm, but A is the answer for this. Now question number 18 we will go for. 18 reads, a T series bacteriophage can be recognized by its which shape is the question. T series bacteriophage, that is T1, T2, T3, T4, like that they are called. And T4 phage is the much studied rocket-like bacteriophage that you have just now seen in the previous question's answer. So T series bacteriophages can be seen in their tadpole shape. C is the answer for this. They are tadpole-like. Tadpole, the larva of frog, It has head and tail. Like that, this also has head and tail. So it is tadpole shaped. It's not irregular shaped, it is not rounded shaped, neither it is rhomboidal shaped. So it is C is the answer. Now 19th question will go for. 19th question reads like this. See, question number 19. In AIDS disease, HIV virus kills what? Answer, first answer is bone marrow cells. Second answer is T helper cells. Third, C answer is antibody molecules. D answer is T cytotoxic cells. The answer for this question is B, that is T helper cells. They're actually lymphocytes, one type of WBCs. T stands for thyroid, forming in the thyroid gland. So T helper cells, these are helping another type of cells, lymphocytes only, and because of their help only, that other lymphocyte becomes active and it kills, it is active, but HIV is going to kill that. HIV virus is going to kill that. So this T helper cell is going to help to destroy HIV virus actually. But when AIDS is predominant in somebody's body, then these cells, that HIV cells, are powerful and they are destroying T helper cells. Okay, now next question we'll see. 20th question. Question number 20 reads like this. The non-living characteristics of virus is. So there are of course number of non-living characters of virus. First A answer is C, ability to undergo mutation. Ability to undergo mutation. That is nothing but see, living beings undergo mutation, but it's not undergoing mutation actually. Then B is ability to cause disease in the host. Yes, it causes disease in the host, but outside it is non-living. And ability to multiply only inside the host, this is also its character. These are characters of viruses. Now last one, see D answer, ability to be crystallized. This is most important character among all these four answers. So it is not necessary here, the host need not come in the picture at all. Without host, this one can be crystallized. In remaining things now, remaining answers, the host comes in the picture. And in the host only it is able to do all these things. That's why there are of course characters of the virus only. But its independent individual character, that is D, ability to be crystallized. It can be crystallized. Now question number 21 reads, viroids commonly are. Of course here viroids most commonly are, B is the answer, sorry, C is the answer. SS, that is single stranded RNA not enclosed by protein coat. This is the answer. C is the answer for this. Of course, now they are discovered that single stranded DNA not enclosed by protein, they are also now discovered, of course. But such viroids are very less. Very most common viroids are single stranded RNA not enclosed by protein coat. Fourth answer is DS. dsRNA enclosed by protein coat is the fourth answer. Now answer for here is actually C. They are single stranded. DS means double stranded. SS means single stranded. Now let us go for next question. Question number 22 reads like this. Which of the following statements is false? Yes. Here three statements are correct, but only one is wrong. The bacteriophage has a double-stranded DNA molecule is one option. Most plant viruses are RNA viruses. Second answer. Third one, TMV has a double-stranded RNA. Third answer. Fourth one, most animal viruses are DNA viruses. So which one is plasmid here? C is the answer for this. TMV has a double-stranded RNA is not so. It has single-stranded RNA. Remaining all are correct, but this only is wrong. That's why C is the answer for this. Now, let us go for 23rd question. 23rd question reads like this. Sexual reproduction in malarial parasite Plasmodium occurs in. Of course, Plasmodium needs two hosts. One is female Anopheles mosquito, another is man, we know. And in man's body, it is reproducing asexually, and in mosquito's body, it is reproducing sexually. That's why any host in which the parasite reproduces sexually is a primary host, and the host in which it reproduces asexually is the secondary host. So sexual reproduction takes place in the mosquito here. That's why B is the answer for this question. A is also host for it, but it is secondary host. Primary host is mosquito, and in mosquito's body it reproduces sexually. Now question number 24 is also on that one only. Secondary host for Plasmodium is man. Now I just now explained, it is man. Primary host is mosquito, female Anopheles mosquito. Why female Anopheles only? Why not male Anopheles? If another related question if we go for. Actually, the male Anopheles is vegetarian. That is, it is feeding on plants. Whereas female Anopheles only feeds on the blood of humans. That's why it is female Anopheles only. Now question 25. Plasmids are most commonly found in. What is plasmid actually? Plasmids are circular extranuclear DNAs in bacteria. Therefore, its benefit, they are going to work as WBCs in our body. They will be helping the bacterium to destroy the foreign antigens. That's why plasmids are comparable to WBCs of human beings. So they are present in bacteria. That is answer. B is the answer. Plasmids are not present in other organisms here. It's only in B. Now question 26 reads, bacteria with flagella all over the body are called. See, bacteria with flagella all over the body means the answer is peritrichus. First answer, A is the answer. Some bacteria have flagella at only one end. They are monotrichous, and some have at the two ends, that is two poles only. They are amphitrichous, and if there are no flagella at all, they are atrichous. So if present on the entire surface means peritrichous. A is the answer for this question. Now question number 27 reads like this. Which of the following is free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria present in the soil? Soil bacterium that fixes the atmospheric nitrogen, that is azotobacterium. A is the answer. Rhizobium is also fixing nitrogen, but it is present in symbiotic association in the root nodules of the leguminous plants, whereas azotobacterium is present in the soil. Now nitrosomonas, pseudomonas, these are also bacteria, and the A only is the answer for this. Now question 28 reads in this way. An example for symbiotic bacterium is, that is just now I told, it is Rhizobium leguminosarum. That is B is the answer. Xanthomonas is also bacterium. Erwinia is also bacterium, but Rhizobium is in symbiotic association. Then question number 29 reads, the bacterium Clostridium botulinum causing botulium, that is food poisoning. So this bacterium causes food poisoning, and answer for this is, of course, the bacterium Clostridium botulinum causing botulium is an obligate anaerobe. B is the answer for this. Obligate anaerobe means what? It respires anaerobically compulsorily. Obligate means compulsory, but anaerobic respiration. See, facultative aerobe means what? Facultative aerobe means it is sometimes respiring aerobically also is the meaning. Facultative anaerobe means sometimes respiring anaerobically also is the meaning. And obligate means compulsorily, but whether it is a compulsorily anaerobe or aerobe means it is B, that is anaerobe only. It's obligate anaerobe. Now question number 30. 30 reads like this. Red rot disease of sugarcane is caused by. So among the answers here say, it is C is the answer. Qualatotrichum facatum. Qualatotrichum facatum, this particular organism causes that red rot disease, and that we can see better in this diagram. I'll show you. See here, these are sugarcane leaves. One minute, I'll enlarge this. Yes, in sugarcane leaves, we can see some red colored spots like this. That is called red rot. And if the sugarcane leaves are like this and that is not yielding much sugar, means sugar production will be very less from that sugarcane. So this is a fungal disease. A disease. Fungus. It's a fungus disease that causes this disease, red rot disease. Okay, and it can be, of course, such red streaks maybe in the stems also. I'll show you. When you might have come across. One minute. See, the sugarcane stem. Sugarcane stem shows such red streaks inside. When you are eating sugarcane, you will find some red color thing inside there, the tissue. That is nothing but red rot. It is in the leaves also, in the stem also like this. Okay, that is red rot caused by that organism. I just now have answered that. That is Qualatotrichum facatum is the answer for this. Now next question, 31. Question 31 reads like this. Nuclear matter without nuclear envelope occurs in. Nuclear matter without nuclear envelope means it is only a naked nucleic acid. Not having nuclear envelope means improper nucleosities, ill-developed nucleosities, and otherwise called nucleoid. And such nucleus that is only having genetic material, no, but not nuclear envelope, is seen only in prokaryotes. So here in the answers now, in every answer two organisms are given, but only in B answer, there is bacteria and cyanobacteria, they only are prokaryotes, both are prokaryotes. But in remaining answers now, one may be a prokaryote, one may be eukaryote. That's why they are not answers. Now B is the answer, that is bacteria and cyanobacteria. Both of them are prokaryotes. Now question 32 reads like this. The Golgi apparatus The Golgi apparatus present in commonly in animal cells, no, it is doing this normal duty. That is D. D is the answer here. Modifies and packages proteins. That is protein synthesized in the cell. They are modified and packed to go out of the cell. So that Golgi complex is doing. That's why that is the correct answer. Others are not. Now we'll better stop here. 32 questions we have covered, and next questions